Is a format string. A format string is that informs a function how to format its output. For example, in C, printf hello %s, you are %d years old, L is 25. It uses %s for a string and %d for an integer. The function takes arguments to match the specifiers in the format string. The vulnerability. The issue occurs when a program passes user-controlled input directly as the format string to a function like see the below example, printf char input 100 gets input and printf input. If the user inputs something like %s or %n, the program will try to interpret these as format specifiers. Without corresponding arguments, it will start pulling data from the stack or memory in unintended ways. A format string vulnerability attack is a type of software security exploit that occurs when a program improperly handles user-supplied input in functions that use format strings, such as printf in C or C++. Attackers can use these vulnerabilities in many ways. For example, reading memory or information leakage. Format specifiers such as %x hexadecimal or %s string can be employed to read from the stack. Here is an example for this. Output may leak stack values, example deadbeef, leaking memory contents that may contain sensitive information such as pointers or passwords. Writing to memory. The %n specifier is especially hazardous as it outputs the number of characters printed up to now to a memory address that is passed as an argument. Crashing the program. Inputs such as %s without valid string pointers in the stack will make the program dereference improper memory and create a segmentation fault. Arbitrary code execution. With a mix of memory read and write, an attacker can rewrite sensitive data, i.e. a function return address or a God pointer, to steer the execution into bad code. Below in these pictures we can detailedly see about the format string vulnerability. In this picture we can understand about missing arguments and vulnerable program stack layout, and also it gives details about using the format string vulnerability to change memory. In the figure 6.6, the breakdown of the format string can be understood. In figure 6.7, modify the return address of fmtstr, making it point to the injected shellcode. Here we can see an example code by which we can understand the format string vulnerability attack.